In this review video, we're going to quickly review the definition of sine and cosine. So the unit circle definition of sine and cosine is you have an angle A in the unit circle. You can hit the unit circle at exactly 1 point, xy. We call the x value the cosine of the angle. We call the y value the sine of the angle. So how do we figure out sine of 2 pi over 3? Well, we've spent all this time knowing the unit circle, so we're going to kind of make our unit circle or pull it up depending on which situation we're in. And we want to find the angle's 2 pi over 3, which happens to be this angle here. And we just saw sine is the y value, so we just get the square root of 3 over 2. All right, so the answer here is the square root of 3 over 2. All right, cosine of 5 pi over 4. And we're going to pull up our unit circle or make a unit circle if we don't have access to one. Find the angle 5 pi over 4. Cosine is the x value, negative square root of 2 over 2. Sine of 3 pi over 2, all right, hopefully you know. Just pull up your unit circle, make your unit circle, whatever. Find our angle 3 pi over 2, right there. Going straight down, sine is the y value, negative 1/2. Or sorry, negative 1, this is negative 1. And lastly, cosine of 11 pi over 6. You got the idea. Take your unit circle, find 11 pi over 6, that's right there. Take the x value, cosine of 11 pi over 6 is the square root of 3 over 2. All right, so just knowing this simple definition, cosine is x, sine is y. You did all the hard work of knowing how to do this big unit circle. Cosine and sine should be the easy part after that, because you just got to remember cosine x, sine y.